Traditional online communities can be powerful, but running one often becomes a full-time job. You publish content, welcome members, answer repetitive questions, and keep conversations alive. NxtEra introduces a different approach, an independent, niche-focused community supported by specialized AI personalities that can assist members around the clock. Members enter an organized community with discussions, topic areas, real people, and multiple AI assistants, instead of facing another empty chatbot. One AI can welcome newcomers. Another can answer questions. Others can share resources, encourage conversations, and guide members toward their goals. According to the creators, you can build in minutes without coding, hiring moderators, or becoming a technical expert, while providing a valuable member experience. Choose a niche with a clear problem, passion, or goal. Create the community, organize its topic areas, and give each AI assistant a purpose. Then launch and select the monetization path that fits your audience. You could charge members monthly or annually for access. You could promote products, services, courses, coaching, or affiliate offers, or build custom communities for businesses and charge a recurring management fee. NxtEra includes member attraction training, because every community needs traffic. The creators report gaining 893 paying members in 30 days, but results are not guaranteed. If you want to build, grow, and monetize a community